Yo, boom, 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 boom! Yo, ladies and gentlemen, MadTwinz over there.
What up, what up, what up?
Are you ready for the final round from BBU 2022?
Yeah, I can believe they're just now in the final. His versus Dan.
Oh man,
Korea versus Canada.
I'm so excited, bro.
This is gonna be a hot battle.
Yeah, this is Pash, I'm Jayton, and welcome to our reaction.
Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel. This is fucking important for
Right
us.
there, right now.
Yeah, press like,
link.
follow us. This is mean a lot for us. Okay, now we start watching this battle.
Yes.
First gonna be Dan from Canada. This guy amazing. Just I cannot stop to say this. Very musician.
I'm so excited.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, go.
You wanna go? I set the bar and I raise it and face it, I'm killing it. They love when I'm drilling it. Add it up, all of them know.
Memories.
You are the enemy, cause the winners always be the one writing history.
Yes. Nasty. So nice video. Love it. Yeah, that melody also.
All your history.
Yes, bro. Yeah. Oh, with the click.
I ain't done with you yet.
What?
Your history.
BBK, bro.
No
So
way,
cool, so
no
cool. Wow, 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 wow.
That's the final.
Man, that's
I'm
so
just
dope.
speechless, you know. I have no words.
Super speechless. That's so fucking good, man. That's the final round, guys.
Oh my god, how he just controlled this so clean every time he changed bass to the high notes.
I still not understood how to make this. You know, bro?
Oh my Jesus Christ.
And also that bass.
Is this inverter?
It's a silver, yeah?
I don't know. Maybe, yeah.
But how to control the notes? It's so hard, man.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Keep the battle energy. Watching his.
Yeah, let's go, guys. Are you fucking ready? 3, 2, 1, beatbox.
Great.
I want to say thank you to everyone who's part of me. And I am grateful that I am in this with you. grateful.
Yes. Very commercial.
Nice.
I ain't grateful.
What the fuck?
I want to say thank you to everyone who's part of me. And I ain't grateful that I am in this with you.
Amazing vocal.
I ain't grateful.
Perfect structure. Also picture some warm.
I ain't grateful.
Positive. Build up.
I ain't grateful.
Very tasty. Good job here.
Woo, dang down. Where did you find this? Nice, bro. Promotion. Remix. Yeah. Nice. Actually, I didn't hear the remix. Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to listen to that.
What I wanna say, I have no words for say who is the won this battle.
Can I say first? For me, the won this battle. For me, is his. I don't know. That's his, cause first, the drop was fucking amazing. Did you saw my reaction? Like, fuck, it's so good, man. Yes, and also the mastering much better than Dan.
Yeah, then mastering very dry. I don't know why. Like, yeah, very dry. But the routines is amazing. But mastering is dry if to compare with his mastering.
Then also amazing, yeah, bro. The last drop blew my mind. Yeah, but I think for me it's his. I don't know, like it's about the quality. It's about the drop. You know, the full feeling about whole composition. Yeah, my voice for his. What do you think?
Oh shit. The drops of each beatboxer is just incredible. About the Dan, I'm literally 3 times just was blown about his. Every time I listen, I enjoy, and this is drop with the trumpet with the.
Yeah, man. Super nice.
I feel, like something, the strong feeling in the stomach, when you glad that you hear this or something, because I hear the drop like this first time, and I very enjoy it. I don't know. I don't want to say who is winning. Maybe I just don't want to say who is winner. Okay, just type below who is win for you. Okay.
Both winners, guys.
Yeah, they're
You in
both
the final.
winners. They're in the final.
Yeah, guys, thank you for watching us. That was MadTwinz. Subscribe our channel. Be on our line. Just keep in touch. Stay tuned. We will back soon.
That was MadTwinz.